Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Have you ever thought about taking the reins of your own investments? Self-directed investing is exactly that. You're the captain of your financial ship. Instead of hiring someone to manage your money, you get to choose your own stocks, bonds, or funds yourself. It's a really popular option here in Canada, giving you direct control over where your money grows and how quickly it reaches your financial goals, putting you in charge of your own journey. So why might you choose this path? First off, you gain complete control, deciding exactly where your money goes. Plus, one of the biggest benefits is saving on fees. When you manage your own investments, you often pay much less in management expenses over time, which can really add up. It's also an incredible learning experience, allowing you to build your financial knowledge as you go, step by step. Now, it's important to be aware of the responsibilities. You'll need to dedicate time to research and understand what you're investing in. This isn't a set-it-and-forget-it strategy. Also, remember that all investments carry risk. The market can go up and down, and there's always a chance your investments could lose value. It's about being prepared and making smart, informed choices for your financial well-being. Ready to begin your journey? First, you'll need to choose a Canadian online brokerage. There are many great platforms available, each with different features and fees. Next, think about which account type suits you best. TFSA and RRSP offer fantastic tax advantages here in Canada, helping your money grow more efficiently. For your first steps, consider investing in broad market exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, as they offer built-in diversification and are a great starting point. To succeed in self-directed investing, start small and only invest money you won't need in the short term. Diversification is key. Spread your investments across different areas to reduce risk. Most importantly, keep learning. The world of finance is always evolving, and the more you understand, the better decisions you'll make. Enjoy the process of watching your financial knowledge and your portfolio grow steadily over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.